this is David from Benchmark. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a spline in MSCAD. Now, I got a few shapes here just so I have some points I can snap to for you. If I go to the Draw tab up top, I can just click on the Spline button. Now I can click on any point, or I can snap to an entity like a corner. And as I move my cursor around, you can see it does bend that line around to make sure that I don't have any jagged corners and I have a nice smooth spline connecting all my points. When I'm done making my spline, I can go ahead and close it by typing C and pressing Enter. The first thing it's going to get me to do while closing the spline is to choose a tangent point for the starting point, and then once I've done that, I have to choose a tangent point for the ending point. Now while doing this, I can enter a point, or I can even just enter a direction. You can see I've entered west for my starting point, I've entered north for my ending point, and then it will go ahead and close that spline for me. That's all for today's video. If you have any ideas of what else you'd like to see in these videos, go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you like these kind of videos, you can go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel for more content. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.